Do you have pain here, and it hurts with doing things like push-ups and grabbing and holding weights and bags? Well, we're going to cover this today. We have a really nice case presentation of someone who really came in and had this problem, and we're going to show one of the interventions that we did that really helped her out so she's able to work out again. I'm Sebastian, and this is Don.
Hello.
We're the locally world-famous chiropractors in Costa Mesa, California.
Locally world famous.
You really put everything into it every time. So this person, actually, let me grab your wrist, Don. And so we'll just give some examples of things that bothered this person. To give you a little back history, she did have a past fall where she fell on it like so. We call this a FOOSH, a fallen outstretched hand. It's an acronym. And so she did have a problem in an area right here called the TFCC. That's a big long word, so we'll just abbreviate it for now. There was an imaging finding which confirmed that she had a problem in the TFCC, and there was a partial tear in there, and there was clicking associated with it. She couldn't bend her wrist backwards anymore. She couldn't go into a push-up position. Actually, one of the measurement tools that she had was she grabbed a 3-pound weight, and she did bicep curls with it, and she said, "This bothers my wrist." Okay. When examining her, go ahead and make a fist, push into me. She couldn't do this, push me back. She was okay with that. Push me up, she was okay with that. Push me down, she was not okay with that. And moving down, just being in this downward position, she was not okay with that. Being in this position, she was not okay with that. When I put her in this position, she was okay, it wasn't perfect. When she was in this position, it was okay. It was kind of nice to see that when examining the TFCC, that actually there was some tissue damage that had gone on in there. But after examining her a little bit more, we figured out that we have something called a directional preference in the wrist, meaning everything that was this way and this way was no good, but everything this way and this way was actually okay. And so we had her do a stretch. And so go like this for me, Don. And so remember, the things that bothered her was this and this. And so we're actually just going to do the opposite, which is this and that. And so she kind of took these fingers over here, biased these fingers, and she pulled her wrist into extension. The elbow really didn't matter in this case since she actually had a specific wrist problem. So we went here first, did about 10 reps, and then we started to grab a little bit deeper onto the trigger finger, just like so. So she's kind of pulling these fingers across her body as she went into extension. When she was doing this, she didn't have any pain. Just felt a little bit of stiffness right into here, but overall it didn't bother her whatsoever. Afterwards, we did bicep curls. We went to 3 pounds. It was fine. Went to 5 pounds. It was fine. Went to 10 pounds. It was fine. And she said, "I haven't picked up a 10-pound weight in 2 years."
Wow, just with that, huh?
Yeah, so it was really fun to see. We saw her a total of 3 times, and she's back into doing workouts in rowing.
Okay.
She does rowing for a mainly recreational sport.
Was there so there was no pain while doing that. What if someone does have a little bit of pain and discomfort when performing this one?
Well, so as you see, there's a little bit of a complexity to the exam with it, so I don't suggest you guys tinker with the exercise necessarily. You just see us. A lot of times people will have a good benefit of doing something general, like when you go onto a forum and they say, "Oh, I got this wrist pain." Well, stretch your wrist flexors. "Oh, it got better. Thanks, Joe." You know, and then there's people all over the thread that said, "I do this, just made me feel worse." Don't try to do it on your own. Find someone who knows what they're doing, and we can help you out with that. We've seen a lot of people with wrist problems over the years.
Nice. And if you guys like that, it worked for you, or you want to try something else, there's going to be something that pops up on the video that you can click on. Take advantage of that free resource. If you want to just get started on something specific to you and your condition, down below, click on the link. On our website, book an appointment, or reach out to us to see if you are going to be a right fit for us. Email or phone call. We'd love to help you and guide you in the right direction.
Yep. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.